Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining us once again. If you're new here, this is the place where we break down the latest in defense technology, advanced aircraft, and cutting-edge machines shaping the future of the skies. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 F-22 Raptor, a jet that has been making waves not only because of its legendary reputation but also because of the significant updates it has received for this new era. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, someone passionate about military technology, or simply curious about what the next generation of air dominance looks like, stick around because this is going to be an in-depth ride. We're going to cover every aspect of the aircraft from its design philosophy to performance, the new systems under the hood, fuel efficiency, interior and pilot comfort, advanced connectivity, and the comprehensive safety suite that makes it the most advanced fifth-generation fighter in service. Think of this not just as a plane, but as the symbol of what modern engineering can achieve when precision, innovation, and purpose collide. To understand why the 2026 F-22 is such a big deal, we need to look at its legacy. The original Raptor entered service with the United States Air Force in the mid-2000s and quickly established itself as a game-changer, blending stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness in a way no aircraft before it had achieved. For years, it remained unrivaled, but technology never stands still. New challenges, both from rival nations and from the need to adapt to modern combat environments, made it essential for the F-22 to evolve. That's why the 2026 update is more than just a refresh, it's a comprehensive redesign meant to carry this aircraft into the future while ensuring it remains the undisputed king of the skies. The overview of this jet shows us an aircraft that not only continues the proud legacy of the Raptor but also introduces elements that make it feel futuristic, versatile, and adaptable to missions we haven't even fully imagined yet. So what's new for 2026? First and foremost, the external profile has been refined with even sharper stealth shaping. While the classic Raptor silhouette remains unmistakable, subtle changes to the airframe and the application of advanced radar-absorbing materials make it even harder to detect on enemy systems. Engineers have introduced a next-generation composite skin that not only reduces radar cross-section but also improves durability, meaning less maintenance and longer operational lifespans. On top of that, the 2026 model introduces modular weapon bays that can adapt to different mission profiles more quickly than before. Instead of requiring lengthy adjustments on the ground, crews can now reconfigure payloads in record time, ensuring the aircraft is always ready for whatever challenge it faces. One of the biggest breakthroughs is the integration of artificial intelligence assistance for pilots. This AI doesn't fly the plane on its own, but it provides real-time recommendations, analyzes incoming data faster than humanly possible, and ensures the pilot always has an information advantage in the heat of battle. It's like having a co-pilot who never tires, never misses a detail, and reacts in fractions of a second. Now, of course, many people are wondering about pricing. The 2026 F-22 Raptor is not a mass-market aircraft. It's a cutting-edge tool of national defense, and with that comes a price tag that reflects its capabilities. Each unit is estimated to cost in the neighborhood of $150 to $170 million, depending on specific configurations and mission requirements. While that number may seem staggering, when you factor in the sheer amount of technology packed into each jet, the long-term cost savings from improved efficiency, and the unmatched dominance it provides, the investment becomes clearer. Defense spending is always about balancing capability with cost, and in this case, the Raptor continues to be viewed as worth every penny for maintaining U.S. air superiority in an increasingly competitive world. At the heart of the F-22 Raptor lies its engine system, and the 2026 upgrade takes things to a whole new level. The fighter is now powered by an enhanced version of the Pratt & Whitney F-119 turbofan engine. This updated propulsion system introduces adaptive cycle technology, which allows the engine to adjust performance characteristics depending on the flight conditions. In simple terms, it can shift between providing maximum thrust when speed is essential and improving efficiency during cruising or loitering missions. This means the Raptor is faster, more responsive, and more versatile than ever before. Thrust vectoring remains a hallmark feature, giving the aircraft unmatched agility and maneuverability in dogfights. The transmission of raw power from the engine to the flight systems has also been refined, ensuring smoother handling, quicker throttle response, and reduced wear on internal components. Pilots will tell you that flying the Raptor already feels like an extension of their own body, but the 2026 version makes that connection even more seamless, almost instinctual. Fuel economy might not be the first thing that comes to mind when talking about a fifth-generation stealth fighter, but it's an important factor in real-world performance. The updated engines and lighter composite materials have resulted in significant improvements in efficiency. The 2026 Raptor now delivers better real-world miles per gallon equivalent than previous versions, allowing it to stay in the air longer without refueling. While exact fuel economy numbers are classified, early test reports suggest an improvement of nearly 15% in endurance, which translates into more time in the fight, longer patrols, and fewer tanker support missions required. In a world where operational efficiency is just as important as raw performance, this improvement cannot be overstated. The balance between speed, stealth, and efficiency is what makes the F-22 unique, and the 2026 update solidifies that balance. When it comes to interior comfort, many people are surprised to learn just how much attention goes into the cockpit of a fighter jet. After all, a pilot's ability to perform depends heavily on ergonomics, visibility, and access to information. The 2026 Raptor features a redesigned cockpit that integrates an all-digital panoramic display, providing a seamless stream of data in a way that minimizes clutter and maximizes situational awareness. Controls are now even more intuitive, with touch-sensitive surfaces, voice recognition systems, and customizable layouts depending on mission type. Comfort has also been enhanced with an improved ejection seat design, better climate control, and adaptive seating materials that reduce fatigue during long missions. Cargo might not be the word usually associated with a stealth fighter, but the Raptor's internal weapons bays have been re-engineered for greater flexibility, meaning the aircraft can carry a wider variety of weapons and support equipment internally without compromising stealth. This combination of pilot comfort and mission versatility ensures that the Raptor remains not only deadly but also sustainable for the people who fly it. Infotainment and connectivity might sound like something you'd expect in a luxury car, but in the world of modern combat aircraft, connectivity is everything. The 2026 Raptor introduces an advanced data link system that allows it to seamlessly integrate with other aircraft, drones, satellites, and ground systems. This makes it not just a lone wolf but a critical node in a vast web of battlefield awareness. Pilots receive real-time updates from multiple sources, and the aircraft itself can share information instantly across the network. The onboard systems include advanced augmented reality overlays on the pilot's helmet visor, ensuring critical information is always right where it's needed without having to glance away from the battle. These improvements transform the Raptor into not just a fighter but also an intelligence hub, multiplying the effectiveness of entire fleets. Entertainment may not be the priority, but for connectivity, the 2026 Raptor sets a new standard. Safety and driver assistance features in a fighter jet might sound unusual, but they are crucial. The new Raptor includes an advanced collision avoidance system that can automatically intervene if it detects a critical risk. The AI assistant plays a huge role here, constantly monitoring pilot health, flight conditions, and surrounding threats to provide warnings or even corrective actions if necessary. The ejection system has been improved with faster response times and enhanced survivability features, giving pilots a better chance of walking away from worst-case scenarios. Defensive systems have also been upgraded, including more powerful electronic warfare capabilities, infrared countermeasures, and radar jamming features. In short, the 2026 Raptor doesn't just focus on defeating the enemy, it also ensures the safety of the person flying it at every stage of the mission. In conclusion, the 2026 F-22 Raptor represents the pinnacle of aviation evolution. It's not just an update, it's a reimagining of what a fifth-generation fighter can be. By combining stealth improvements, next-generation materials, adaptive cycle engines, AI assistance, enhanced connectivity, and a host of safety features, this aircraft ensures the United States continues to hold air dominance well into the future. The price is steep, but the payoff is unmatched superiority in both technology and battlefield presence. For enthusiasts, the Raptor remains the dream machine, a symbol of innovation and power. For pilots, it's the ultimate partner in the sky. And for the United States, it's a guarantee of security and strength in uncertain times. The sky may be full of challengers, but with the 2026 F-22 Raptor leading the way, there's no doubt about who commands the future of air combat.